Example 2. A loan of $1,060 has been made at 6.5%. For 3 months, find the loan future value. The key term, we're going to find the future value where the rate is 6.5% and beginning money or the principal is $1,060 for the time period 3 months. Let's make a list for the future value of this simple interest is A equals P times 1 plus RT. Make a list. The A is what we are looking for. The P or the principal is 1,060. The R is the rate. The rate is 6.5% or 0.065. And the time T is 3 months. Recall the time must be in year. So it's going to be 3 divided by 12. The unit is year. Put all information into the formula to find the A. P is 1060 multiplied by 1 plus the R is 0.065 multiplied by the T, which is 3 over 12. So make sure you put in the right order of operation when you put in the calculator. And then the number will come out as 1077.23 as the future value after 3 months based on this information. So when you use the calculator, do not round too much during the process. Keep it as many decimal places as you could, because if you round too much, the final answer gonna be off from the exact answer. The next example, you borrow $2,500 from a friend and promise to pay back $2,655 in 6 months. What simple interest rate will you pay? Let's make a list. So you borrow $2,500. So this is the beginning money, or the P is $2,500. Promise to pay, so that is the future value, or the A, $2,655. In 6 months, the time is 6 months, which is 6 over 12 unit. We simplify to be 1/2 unit is in years. And as for the simple interest rate, or as for the R, or the I is missing, based on the future value with the simple interest, or A equals P multiplied by 1 plus RT. The A in our case is 2,655. The principal is 2,500 and then multiplied by 1 plus the R times T, which is R multiplied by 1/2. Now we have everything into the formula. We're gonna solve for R. When you solve for R, use the same technique in algebra. Take it up one layer at a time. So for our case, we're gonna start with dividing all by 2,500. So then what we have is 2,655 divided by 2,500 comes out to be 1.062 equals 1 plus 1/2 times R. And then we subtract 1 both sides to get 0.062 equals 1/2 times R. Therefore, R equals 2 multiplied by 0.062, which is 0.124. Recall R is the rate, and the rate will be in the percent as a final answer. We have the decimal form, so we're gonna convert the decimal into the percent by locating the point and then move backwards or go to the right 2 places. Therefore, the R equals 12.4%.